here we are again, Connections Israel. Thanks to your efforts, we'll be delivering thousands of gift baskets again this year to the IDF soldiers.
It's unbelievable what we're doing here for the soldiers. It's a big celebration.
אני מקווה שיהיה שלום על ישראל. עדינה, ונקובר, תלמוד תורה.
חג פורים שמח, באהבה אריאלה, כיתה ב'.
חג פורים שמח, באהבה אברהם, כיתה ב', אקדמיה אלברט איינשטיין של יוסף.
חג פורים שמח. גם לך, סלאמי.
Thank you very much. We love you.
תודה רבה לכולם. תודה רבה.
My name is Shir. I'm serving in the army. I'm from Kasaba. Thank you very much for this.
אחת הסיבות העיקריות שבו בחרתי לשרת בבסיס הזה זה החיבור שיש פה בין התושבים לצבא. המקום הזה הוא אסטרטגי גם מבחינה צבאית, גם מבחינה פוליטית אם אפשר לקרוא לזה.
I wish you Purim Sameach from Navni.
Hello, I'm Tzachi from Yehud, and I'm an officer in this battalion. And we are here near Karametzu, the Jewish settlements, protecting all of the people here and ourselves, our families in the center of Israel. I think it's a very, very important mission for all of us to do it, and to do it with a great smile. And thank you for this.
Training these last 4 months have been, I'd say, the most difficult of my life, both emotionally and physically, greater than any basketball practice or tryouts or anything I've been through before.
Don't really know how to explain the amount of work and amount of physical and mental stress I've been through the past year.
I'm definitely going through some challenges and experiencing things I couldn't imagine experiencing anywhere else.
After my battalion was in Gaza, they decided to give us a little break and take a week off. As you can see, nice relaxing palm trees, pretty beautiful, nice warm weather. And here you guys came in the middle of a great week and made it that much better and brought us some great treats. And I know that I'm definitely going to enjoy it, and I know that all the guys are really going to enjoy it.
Toda rabba, thank you very much, Am Israel community, for your help and for your support. We're very happy to know that people outside of Israel think about us, and just have a happy holiday, Purim Sameach.
Have a great Purim, be safe and have peace. Sarah Malka. Thank you, Sarah. Toda rabba.
Hi, my name is Renee. I was born in Liverpool. I came to Israel 10 years ago. I learned in Cobsbry High School. I'm with the rest of my unit here in Hebron. We're doing the best job we can. Just wanted to say thank you for all your great presence and happy Purim to everybody.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel Tao. I live in Ramat Gan. I was born in Belgium. We're here in Hebron, which is the city of our ancestors, Avraham Avinu and Yaakov and all the Imaot also. So it makes us much more easier because we know that we are keeping on something very important. And we are very happy that we got a Shlach Manot from you.
My name is Shlomi Jerby. I'm from Los Angeles, California originally. I moved out to Israel about 4 years ago. Now I'm in the Army, Kravi Nachal, Gdud 50. Happy Purim.
My name's Nadav Weinberg. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio in the United States. I just finished college at Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland. Now I came back here to serve in the Army. It's our first day in Hebron. We'll be guarding here for the next couple of days.
My name's Sam Gonshaw. I came from Manchester, England. I'm serving just over a year in the Army. I was in King David High School in Manchester. So far I've just finished basic training. It's been a lot of long nights of guard duty for hours in the cold. But overall, it's been worthwhile.
כאן ציר 60, הציר הכי מרכזי פה בגזרה, אותו אנחנו מאבטחים, היישוב, גם נגד הכפרים הערביים. פורים שמח לכולם.
Merci beaucoup, je viens de Paris, on est très content d'avoir reçu pour Purim des משלוח מנות. תודה רבה.
My name is Zach Katowitz from Montclair, New Jersey. I made Aliyah in 2006. I studied at George Washington University. We work very hard here, day and night. We don't sleep very much, but when we get stuff like this, we're very thankful. So thank you guys very much.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך וקבל השם.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך. חזק ויאמץ ליבך וקבל השם.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך וקבל השם.
קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך. קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך. חזק ויאמץ ליבך וקבל השם. קבל השם חזק ויאמץ ליבך. חזק ויאמץ ליבך וקבל השם.
Sacrifice.